Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale mutual funds with Rowe Price, full guide step by step clearly. To scale mutual funds with Rowe Price, start by visiting their official website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the mutual funds section. Research the various mutual fund options available. Review the performance history, risk factors, and investment strategies of each fund. Select a fund that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Determine the amount you wish to invest. Consider setting up automatic contributions to facilitate regular investments. Diversify your investments by considering multiple funds across different categories. Use the tools on the Rowe Price website to analyze your portfolio. Monitor your investments regularly to assess performance. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Take advantage of Rowe Price's educational resources to enhance your investing knowledge. Consult with a financial advisor if you have questions about your investment strategy. Stay informed on market trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. Keep track of any fees associated with your chosen funds to ensure cost effectiveness. Finally, review your investment plan periodically to ensure it still aligns with your long-term financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.